Alright, so we are finally putting this dash in for the last time. So the heater vents are ran. Had to do a conversion, so it basically goes from a smaller size to a bigger size on the box, because the adapters that I used for the dash are all the larger tube size from Vintage Air. All the adapters I got from Vintage Air, so everything that's on the dash to go to the Vintage Air are all bought from Vintage Air. Just whoever's planning on doing this to their car, just so you know. I just tidied up the wiring, so it's all tucked up, loomed up. Everything that needs to be loomed up is loomed up. Everything that needs to be tied out of the way that I'm not using is tied up. So there's still a couple things loose because I just haven't decided what I'm going to do with them. A couple lights. That wiring is going to be done after the dash is in. So yeah, man, this should be the last time this dash goes in. It'll be all bolted up. So back to it.